Hello friends, welcome to the Education King. So today I and my brother will explain you some points about time travel. So please tell us
So
first
now
point.
in this video we are going to know about some important points about time travel. So in this video let us start. So please tell the first point.
Okay. My first point is that what is a time travel? Time travel is a travel in which you go more front than the normal timing. Now it's 11:30, or if you are using time travel, so you will be front than us. So you know what will happen after. You will be 5 seconds more fronter, 6 seconds more fronter, sometimes 10 years or 5 years it can be. So this was my first point. Okay, I will also tell my second point is that if you have to go to here to a spot which will take 11 years to reach there, so it was very far. So if what will happen if spaceship will move in the light, in the speed of light, so it will move in the 4.5 years only. It will move in the it will reach the spot in only 4.5 year only. It will reach that spot. So my next point is that, so if your child or one cousin, if was 6th standard, so of 6 years, so if it will take 11 years to go and come, but if you will go in 4.5 years only, so after going, so when it will come, so it will be only of 10 years. So this was the 3 points about the time travel. So please share us all 3 points.
So my first point is as he said that the child. So now this statement can be written for this, that the astronaut who went to the space has gone 13 years in the future. So you can say this statement. Like now let us take another example. Now if a person is in the NASA space station and he's having now he let us compare now if he is doing the training for to go to moon and to do research. So what will happen if he will stay there 6 months? So when after 6 months, when we'll compare his time with the normal person time, it will be 0.15 milliseconds ahead. Means this this astronaut who is training to go to the moon, he will be 0.15 milliseconds behind. Means he will be slow. So now let us take our last example, which is third example. So in this example, now let us take a man is sitting and watching a TV. So this man who is watching the TV runs the time fast, and the another man who is traveling in the train. So this man who is traveling in the train will take less time covered, because as speed as an object moves, it slows the time. Now in the previous example which my brother told, there a rocket which went to the spot, it will take 11 years for the earth human beings, but the astronauts who went through the space, it will take only 4.5 years, because they travel in the speed of light. Because as in the previous example, which was between a man sitting and seeing a TV and the train, so here this train is not having much difference, but this here this is very high speed, like the speed of light, which is very speed. So that's why it took only 4.5 billion years. Sorry, only 4.5 years. Now please say your next point.
So as I told that in the if a person sitting in the sofa will be in it will take less time. It will take less time than compared to the who is going in the train. So this was a video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe to channel Education King, and also click on the bell icon for more notifications in your mobile. So bye bye.